Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys a YouTube channel which did $28,000 in the last 28 days. So he's a student and he started this YouTube channel back in August last year, and right now this channel is consistently making 20,000 plus every single month. I'm going to show you guys the numbers, and I'm also going to show you guys the analytical reports of this YouTube channel. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you're someone who's really interested in joining my one-on-one mentorship program, do send me a message on Facebook and I'll send you the details on how you can join, because we have a couple of free spots this month and we will be increasing the price by next month. So if you guys are interested, do send me a message on Facebook and you can join the training. So let's look at the numbers on this YouTube channel. So you can see here in the last 28 days they got 800,000 views and they did $28,400 in the last just 28 days, guys. So it's really possible. So let's go back to views. So you can see this is the peak day on this YouTube channel. They got like 38,000 views in a single day and they did $1,100 on that particular day alone. So right now this channel is making $700 plus. So that's the down day on this channel. So you can see like $700 is down day on this channel right now, and they're consistently making well over $700. So 28,000 in 28 days, that's almost $1,000 every single day. So let's also refresh the screen to make sure these numbers are not some fake numbers or some Photoshop. So let me refresh it so you can see these numbers are real. So you can see the numbers are real and these are not fake. I can also change the currency to INR because I'm from India, so you can also see the numbers in INR. Let me also go back to the revenue section and I'll show you how much they made in the last couple of months, and I'll also show you what CTR they're getting, what average view duration they're getting, what's a major traffic source on this YouTube channel, because you might think these are some advertisements, they're doing advertisements, or is they doing any promotions. No, they don't do any of that. They totally rely on organic traffic source. So that's what we teach in the training. So if you guys are interested, do send me a message and you can join the training. We have a couple of spots free for this month. So if you guys are interested, you can start the training with us. So let's look at the numbers on the revenue session. So you can see here the playback CPM is around $47 and it fluctuates between $47 to $50. And these are just playback CPM. These are not the exact amount you're going to get paid from YouTube. So RPM is the real numbers you're going to get paid from YouTube. So you can see here, so $32, $31, $33. So this is the exact amount of money you're going to get paid for every 1,000 views you generate on YouTube. So you can also see the monthly revenue here. So you can see on Jan, they did 7,000, 8,000, 6,000, 9,000. And on May, they did 20,000. On June, they did 30,000. So this month, they did actually $1,000 days consistently. So this channel did more money than what we did in the last 28 days. I'll be making one more video on how much YouTube paid me for the month of May and June. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get more updates on how much YouTube is paying me. So this is a student channel and he did well over the $50,000 in the last 2 months. I'm really happy for that. So let's also look at other numbers on this YouTube channel. Let me go back to reach section and I changed it to June. So the last month. So they got 10.2 million impression. And they got 5.6%. There's a drop in CTR. If I go back to May, you'll see the CTR is around 6.6. And in June, they only got like 5.6. There's a 10% to 15% drop on the CTR. And they got 900,000 views this month and it did $30,000. So the unique viewers is around 443. So most of the views are coming from browse feature and suggested videos because they don't do any promotions. So if I scroll down, you can see these numbers. So you can see this, right? 81% or YouTube is recommending your content. So most of the views came from YouTube recommended our content through browse feature and suggested videos. So browse feature means if you go to your home page on YouTube, it will suggest you new videos on the home page. So that's browse feature. And suggested videos means on the right side, you'll see a couple of videos will pop up and show play next, right? So those are suggested videos. So most of the views came from browse feature and suggested videos. You can see, right? So they got 47% on browse and they got 22% on suggested videos. So channel pages, they're promoting their own content on the community post. So that's channel page and YouTube search. So we don't rely on YouTube search a lot. We rely on browse feature. And you can see the CTR, you can see the average view duration. So anything above 6-7 minutes is very good on YouTube because that's a very good retention on YouTube. And on this niche, I think 8 plus is very good. So let's look at the analytical report on this YouTube channel. So I just sorted by traffic source. So you can see the green line is suggested videos, and the blue line is a browse feature. So you can see they got 10.1 million impression in the month of June, and most of the impression came from browse feature. So we rely a lot on browse feature. That's what we teach on the training. And you can see suggested videos around 3.6. So this is the CTR they got on traffic source level. So you can see this. So you can see here browse feature, suggested video, and so we got around 63,000 views from YouTube search, and we got 400,000 views from browse feature. So we rely most on browse feature. So pretty much that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you like these type of videos, do leave a comment and a like on this video. I'll try to make more videos like this. And if you are interested in joining my program, do send me a message on Facebook. I'll send you the details. This is not for everyone, so I can only take like 3, 4, 5 people per month. So if you are interested, do send me a message. And this is not some overnight success thing. It will take a lot of time and hard work. So if you are really committed to start your own YouTube channel and make a good amount of money from YouTube, then send me a message and we can start the training this month. So that's it. See you guys in the next video.